Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel settings. Today we will learn about table and table design. So I have this table. If I click anywhere in the table, this option table design will appear. If I click on this one, you will see some different options inside here. So the first option we have is table name. We can change the table name and give it any name we like. So we can refer this table easily when we are writing down any formulas. Then we have this option, resize table. So resize this table by adding or removing rows and columns. You must be thinking when to use this option. So you can use this option when you edit a new data outside the table and you want to include it without creating a new table. Or if you want to exclude some rows, columns from the current table, or you are reorganizing your data. So first, can you see this row? This row is not in this table. And I want to add this in table. So I will click here and resize the table. If I click on this one, this dialog box will appear. So here I can manually adjust by typing the new data range for my table. But note that it must remain in the same row and the resulting table range must overlap the original table range. Either we can write here manually or we can just reselect our entire table, including the last row as well. Now here you can see it was 11 before, now it's 12 here now. If we select OK, now we added the new row in our table. Now for example, I want to remove some rows from this table. For example, I want to remove these last two rows from my table. So I will click again anywhere in my table and then click on resize table option. Now here either I can type manually, and instead of 12 I can type 9 here, or I can type 10 as I want to remove these two rows, so I can type 10 here manually, or I can just select here or I can just select here. I type here manually, so I will click OK now. So as you can see here now, the last two rows are removed from this table. These are not deleted, these are just excluded from this table range. So shrinking table will remove the table formatting and features from the cells but not delete the data. Hopefully you understand the resize table option today. If you like this video, press the like button and keep learning about Excel. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about table and table design, today we will learn about summarize table option under the table design map. So if you have a table in your Excel worksheet, you can click anywhere in the table, then this table design option will appear. Now we have some different options here. First we have table name and then we have resize table video. I have told you about these two options in my previous video. Today we will learn about summarize with pivot table. So if I hover over this option, summarize with pivot table, says summarize the data in this table by using a pivot table. Pivot tables make it easy to arrange and summarize complicated data and get into details. So I want to, for example, I have this data in which I have some regions and then I have total sales. I want to see the sales by region or by the sale representative. So I don't want to change this data. What I can do is I can click anywhere in the data and then click on summarize with pivot table option. As you can see here, this dialog box will appear. So select a table array. So it's already selected, and then we can choose where we want the pivot table to be placed. Do we want in the new worksheet or the existing worksheet? So it will be better in the new worksheet rather than existing worksheet because we have so much data here and it will be confusing. And then when we click OK, it will take us to the new worksheet. Now as into the site, we have these options. So we have filters, we have column, and then we have rows, and then we have values. For example, I want to see the sales by region, so I can move region into the rows. So you can see here all the regions into the rows. And then I can move total sales into the values. So I can see the sum of total sales with each region. So in East, total sale amount is this. In North, total sale amount is this. And all together, this is the total amount of all the regions. And I also want to see the sale representatives. So then I can move this into the column. Now I can remove sale representatives into the column. Now I can see how much each representative sold products in every region. For example, in East, Carlos sold 10,714 amount sales. Or I can also see the products. If I move some of the units sold and products into the column, so I can see in which region what is sold. So in East, 56 laptops are sold, 41 monitors are sold, 89 phones are sold. And in South, we have 119 laptops, 28 monitors, 58 phones, 94 tablets, in total 299 items. And altogether, we have sold 983 items. We are now back to our worksheet. Hopefully you understand what is summarized table design. We will learn in more detail about pivot tables in our future videos, but for now I just wanted to show you what this option can do. Hopefully you understand this option now. If you learned something new, hit the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about table and table design, let's learn about remove duplicates and convert frames. So we have different options here. We have already learned about these options. Now we will learn about these quick features into the table design tab. So we have one feature here named as remove duplicate. Let's use this feature and see how does it work. So I have this table and I have some duplicate rows in this table. Let's remove them by just doing one click. So I will click anywhere in my table and then remove duplicate. And when I click on this one, so I can select one or more column that contain duplicates. So it's already selected all of them. So I will leave this like this, and my data has header. Yes, my data has header. So I will check this option and then select OK. Now you can see one duplicate value found and removed and 100 unique values remain. Note that count may include empty cell spaces, etc. And then select OK. So I only had one row removed because I only had one duplicate in that, and my old data still here. And then we have this option, convert to range. So we can convert this table into normal range and all of the data is preserved. So we can convert this table into normal range because sometimes we don't need a table, sometimes we need normal data. So to do this, we can just click on this convert to range, and then it will ask you, do you want to convert a table into normal range, and then select OK. Now you have normal range table. But if you want to remove the color formats, just press Ctrl A and then go to Home tab, and here you have this erase option, clear option. Click on this one, then you can clear all or clear formats only or clear content. We will use clear formats only. It will only clear the formatting that is applied to the selected cell, and then click on this one. Now here only the formatting is gone, but the color does not affect, and we are using this as a data range, so we can either remove it or either keep it. But if you want to change it, you can just clear it and then add your favorite colors again. Hopefully you understand today's basic option like removing duplicates and converting the table into a range. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about table and table designs, I have this table. If you click anywhere in this table design tab will appear. If you click on this one, now you have some different options here. You have table name, resize table, summarize, pivot table, remove duplicates, and convert to range. We have already talked about these options in our previous video. Today we will learn about this feature or insert slicer. So we can use a slicer to filter data visually. Slicer make it faster and easier to filter pivot tables, pivot charts, and queue functions. For example, I want to quickly filter this data, but if not really I want to filter this data, I have these filter drop downs. I have to click on this one and then go and select whichever I want to select and then select OK. And then if I want to select in other column, I have to do the same and then select OK. In this way, it's a long way and it's not very user friendly and it doesn't look professional. So let me show you a very easy way to filter your data. So don't have to click the drop downs and doing things like that. I will show you a very user friendly trick today. So click on insert slicer. So this dialog box will appear in which I have all the columns here to filter. So for example, I want to filter with region and then I want to filter with the products because I want to see which products are sold where in which region, and then select OK. Now I have two slices. I can resize them and I can put them where I want them. Now we have one slicer of region and one slicer of product. For example, I want to check in East region. I want to check how many laptops are sold. So these many laptops are sold in East region by two their representatives. And then I also want to check furniture as well. And then I can check phone, I can check tablets, I can even check the in North now, in South, and in West. As you can see, data is changing quickly, so I don't have to go here and select the filters. I can just control them from here. Then we have this button. By clicking this, we can clear the filters. Now we have our data back. So benefits of slicer, they're very easy and user friendly. So we don't have to click on the drop downs, and you can filter data by clicking one or multiple buttons. Clearly shows what is currently filtered. Look professional in dashboards and report. Multiple slicer can be used together. So hopefully you understand the use of slicer and how useful are they when analyzing your data or filtering the data. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about table and table design. If you click anywhere in your table, you will get this option, this tab here, table design. When we come here, we have some different options. As we have already talked about all these options, today we will learn about these checkboxes. So what are they and why are they used? So first of all, we have a header row. This way shows or hide the top row of the table, which usually contains column names. Turning off make the table look like a regular tab, but you need to remember disabling this remove sorting filtering button. So we click on this. Now you can see here, this data look like normal data. It does not look like table, but we don't have any filtering and sorting options as well. Let's click it back. Now our header row is on. Then we have total row. This will add a new row at the bottom of the table that can automatically calculate some average count factor for each column. So if we click on this, look, we have added this option to the total sales. And then we have banded rows. Applies originating row color like stripe to improve readability, splashing on larger tables. So we already had these rows, banded rows, that's why it doesn't show any difference. And then we have first column, applies bold or special formatting to the first column depending on the table style. So if you click on this, it doesn't do anything because it will adjust according to the table design. So we already have formatting applied. That's why it doesn't do anything. And then we have branded columns, applies alternating color to the column so you can read easily. And then we have filter button. If we click on the, as you can see here, we have filter buttons. If we uncheck this box, we don't have filter drop downs anymore. So disabling it keeps the header rows but removes the filter. So pick it back. Now you have your filter back. Hopefully you understand what are these options and how to use them. These options are not much used because of the other options we have, but it's good to know about these options. Hopefully you understand today's video. Press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about cell styles under Home tab. So cell style in Excel refers to a predefined set of formatting options that you can apply to cells quickly and change their appearance. This includes font type, size, color field, borders, and number of formatting. So where you can find it, you can apply this style to a single cell at time. It's same like table style, but you can apply this style just to a single cell. So for example, I want to apply the style to this cell. I will click on this cell and go to Home tab, and here near the conditional formatting you can see cell style. If you click on this, you have some different options, preset options here. So cell styles, first we have normal, this is default, and then we have bad, good, and neutral, quick ways to highlight the data quickly. And then we have, for example, like import, calculations, linked cell, note, output, and one link text, etc. These are used to show different types of data. And then we have heading, styles, and titles for the title formatting. And then we have theme cell, which we can choose, where we can choose different colors. Some we have gradient colors, and some of them we have solid colors. And then we have number formatted. For example, we can put comma, 0, and then currency, and then we have percent. These are the things you can find under the cell styles to quickly apply to your cells. So let's try one. For example, I want to code this style to myself. I will take good. And then I want to apply currency one as well. As you can see here, it's green and it's showing currency. So I quickly highlight this cell by some presets options. And we have also this option of creating our own style. We can give any name to your style, and then we have style include by example. I will leave this and I will go to format, and here I can choose all the things. For example, let's choose the font. Let's make it bold, and you can change the color of the font, but I will leave it as black, and then I can choose fill color as light purple and then select OK. Now when you go over here, you have your own custom style. So you can set this style according to your choice, and then you can use it as a preset quickly to your cells. So as you can see here, it applied here. So hopefully you understand what are cell styles and how are they used. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about cell styles in my previous video, I have told you about all the other options in my previous video. Today we will learn about merge style options. I will tell you how this option works. So for example, I have created a brand style in my another workbook, but I want to apply, move it this style to other workbook. As you can see here, I have this brand style in this workbook, but I want to apply this in my other workbook. So how can I move this? So what I can do is I can click here and go to merge styles. You must make sure the other workbook must be open. So my other workbook is open. So I will click here, merge style from this workbook, and then select OK. So when I click on cell style now, I have brand style here. Before I didn't have this. I have moved this from my other workbook. So I can apply this style quickly now just from my custom style. So hopefully you understand how to use merge style. So you don't have to make your style again. You can move it from your other workbook to your new workbook. So hopefully you liked today's video. Press the like button and follow for more videos like this.